Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. G2 Skier YouTube channel here, and got the truck out. It is not my primary vehicle anymore, so kind of a rare occasion, maybe once every couple weeks now, once a week sometimes if we're lucky. And filming this with the new GoPro HERO 8 Black series. Just testing it out. Just got it for Christmas for myself. The girlfriend got me a nice, if I can unlock it here, I'll let you look at the truck while I unlock it. Just had it off my wrist. New Apple Watch Series 5. Love it. It's been very helpful. And just wanted to give you guys a little walk around. Again, excuse me in this camera, it's not quite as wide angle as the iPhone I've been filming with. We are filming in 4K. I am working on getting that to upload to YouTube. But did get the new plate in the mail there. Good look under the truck there. Might be able to see if it switch the AEV diff skid there. And let's look at the 589 shock mounts. I don't know if that's catching a good view of them or not, but I think we're gonna go for a little drive here. It's well, it was blue sky, but looks like some clouds may be moving in. There's some light over there. It's Michigan, who knows. So playing with this hyper smooth function, can't even tell I'm walking, which is nice. But let's go for a little spin. I will have some off-road content next weekend. At this time I will be in the Upper Peninsula with the Cheesebread ZR2 crew, and we're gonna do some snow wheeling if we get some more snow. It's been 40-50 degrees here, and similar temperatures up there, so hopefully tie rod sleeves there, and the stock coil springs, stock gas coil springs, it's painted red for a little touch. Hopefully we'll have some good wheeling up there, and have another partnership I'm gonna announce. I don't know if it'll be next week or a couple weeks after that. Depends on when they ship the product out to me. Has to do with lighting and a brand new product that's just got brought to the market. So we will catch you guys after I get done with my drive. Maybe we'll go somewhere that has a little view. As promised, presenting you guys with a view of Little Traverse Bay, Lake Michigan, in Petoskey. It's the break wall over there in the distance, Harbor Springs across the bay. The two humps, I don't know if they're visible over there, are Boyne Highlands on the left and Nubs Knob on the right, ski resorts. So let's just do some B-roll with some music.